Hi everyone! So I just have a little share with you guys. I made a purchase from Happy Crafter Shop and I want to share with you guys what I got, and then we're going to do a quick little tutorial. So she was so sweet. She invited me to be a part of her design team for this month. So I do have an unboxing, and then I did do a project share as well. But on the first, she did her new release and I had to run to purchase some stuff because I was obsessed with these Velcro dots. These were like a must-have, so I am so happy that I was able to snatch these up. So I got a baby pink, a darker kind of bright pink, a red, and a black. And then I had to get more of these foam squares. Like, I have never seen foam in color, so I was like, yes, I need this in my life so much. Especially with Valentine's Day, that's when I use like the most pink out of the whole year. So I was like, I need to get that. I'm obsessed with Halloween, so I had to get the black. So got those. And then she had these skulls on there. Oh my gosh, I had to get these, you guys. Like I said, I love Halloween, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need those. Oh, these are huge. These are a really nice size. They've got to be like at least an inch. So you get 5 of these bad boys right here. And like, look at those skull faces right there. They're so detailed. So like 3D. Like, look, it's got like little spikes on its head. Oh my gosh. I should have bought 2 packs or 3 packs of these. I love those so much. And then I had to get this pack right here. It's like little yarn balls. And if you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know that my mom crochets all the time. So I was like, I have to get her these. I was thinking about putting them on like little hooks so she could have like little stitch markers. And then I was thinking about like putting them on a little like charm dangle, and I could put it like on her backpack, because when we go on vacation, she takes supplies with her to craft too. So she has like a little backpack that she puts her stuff in. So I thought this would be good on like a little zipper pull. So I had to get those. So I'm so happy she had those, because I have not seen those around before. And then she was so sweet. She sent a little thank you gift right here. So it says free gift, and they are these little hearts that say love. And then I did get the gold little like micro beads right here. These are perfect for shakers. So I had to grab the gold. As you can tell, I love gold. And then the last little item I got, these are called ready to bead little like bead dangles. So this one is a Dunkin' Donut one, and I have a friend that I want to make this and send it to her. So I was like, yes, I need that. So if you are going to go to her shop, here is her info. You can see the shop's Instagram. This is her personal Instagram. And then there's her YouTube channel. If you need to contact her, you can contact her there. If you want to go shop, you can shop right here at happycraftershop.com. And then please use my coupon code. It is VAGABOND10 to save you 10%. So let's do a quick little tutorial. I have been wanting to turn these into little charms as soon as she sent them to me in my design box. So I cannot wait, because I have a project that I want to do next with them. So let me just put this stuff aside. And here are the little hearts that she sent to me in my design team box. So I want to turn these into charms. Like, look how pretty these are. So I'm not going to do all of them, because I do want to use these also for little bow centers. I'm obsessed with the little glitter ones. I think they're so pretty. And then there are these heart ones that are slightly different. They're like a solid heart. And even the shape, like, I feel like they're like more like bubbly. So they're just really pretty. So I have these clear bales right here. And you can find these at your stores, at your craft stores, or online. So we're going to get those. And then I have some of my Gorilla Glue right here. So I'm going to be using this one today. And then what we're going to do is put some glue, and then we're going to line it up and turn them into little charms. Isn't that going to be so cute? Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, so let's get to work. Look how pretty they are. I should have bought more of the glitter ones. but I didn't. But next time, right? So we're just going to take a little bit of glue. Oops, I did too much. But we're going to take a little bit of glue right there. And then we are just going to go ahead and lay our little flat back resin piece on there. Then I'm just going to kind of hold it in place. Like I said, I put too much glue that came out a lot faster than I expected it to. So I'm just going to hold it for a second so it could just go ahead and stay. And then I'll go ahead and put it on my table. Another one I use pretty often is the super glue. So I don't know if you can tell, this one's kind of dried. So let me see if this one still has any juice left in there. So we're just going to go ahead and put some on there. And then this one dries faster than the other one. Oh yeah, see, there's still enough. So we got a little bit of glue there. Then we're going to do the same thing and we're going to glue one of these hearts on. And it's kind of nice with these because I can just kind of put it right up to the top of the edge. You see, like there is a little loop. I'm just going to put it right at the edge right there. Okay, so the crazy glue is drying faster than my other Gorilla Glue. So I'm just going to make a couple more using the super glue. And then I'm going to show you that I just lay it upside down. So that way if there is any extra glue, it won't go ahead and stick to my table. So got some glue there. I'm going to put this right there. Like I said, because it's super glue, it dries pretty fast. It's just that these little flatbacks are slippery. I'm going to do it this way. Let me line it up from the back. Make sure it's on nice and straight. See, every time I want to move it, it kind of just slides. There we go. So that looks nice and centered. And then I'm just going to go ahead and lay that on my table right there. So that's our quick little video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for watching my haul, watching this quick little tutorial. Hope you guys have an amazing day and we'll see ya later. Don't forget to use that coupon code VAGABOND10. Bye guys.